In this activity, you will learn about the File tab in Microsoft Word. By the time you finish, you should be able to create a new document, open and close a document, save a document, print a document, prevent edits to a document, export a document, and locate and specify Word settings. Microsoft Word files are called documents. Let's say you already have a Word document open, but you want to open a new document. Click the File tab and select New.
At the right, you can see various templates. A template is a pre-designed, ready-to-use document created for common purposes. Scroll down to see the list. If you do not find a relevant template, use the search box on the top to find it. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Now, enter the relevant keyword in the search box and press Enter. You can see a list of different templates. You can also select a specific category to find the template. Now click the template and then Create. Here you are. A new, ready-to-use document based on the selected template is created. In the same way, you can use the blank document template to create a document from scratch. For now, click the cross icon to close this document. Now, let's edit this template to suit your needs. For example, you can enter the name, course title, and date. After editing the document, click Save to save it, or press Ctrl+S from the keyboard. Since you are saving this document for the first time, Word will automatically activate the Save As section and select Recent by default. Select the folder from the list or specify a location by choosing other options. Here we will select the folder listed under Recent. In the Save As window, select the folder and then click Save. The document is saved with the changes. Once the document has been saved for the first time, you can simply click Save from the File tab to save any further changes. You can also click the Save icon to save the changes or press Ctrl+S from the keyboard. To open an existing document, from the File tab, click Open. In the Recent list, select a recently used document.
Alternatively, select the location of your file. Click the Browse button. In the Open window, navigate to the relevant folder, select the file, and click Open. After you have created the document and saved all the changes, you might want to print the document. Click the File tab and select Print or press Ctrl+P from the keyboard. On the right, you can see a preview of the first sheet. In the central pane, specify the number of copies required at the top. The default settings are shown. You may change them if required. Microsoft allows you to protect, inspect, manage, and view properties of your document. In the Info section, from the Protect Document drop-down, make your selection to control the type of changes others can make to your document. From the Check for Issues drop-down, choose the relevant option to make your document compatible with any other version of Word or to make the document accessible to people with reading difficulties. If you ever accidentally close a document without saving it, you can use the Recover Unsaved Documents option from the Manage Document drop-down to get it back. This will be a handy tool if, for example, the power goes off while you are still working. You can then use this option to recover the document. To share the document with other people, use the different sharing options provided under the Share section. To export the document as a PDF XPS file, click Export and choose the relevant folder that you want to save the output to. Click Account to view the product information. To get the latest updates about Word, click Update Options and choose the relevant option. The About Word icon is used to get more information about Word and its version. Click Feedback and choose the relevant option to provide feedback about Word to Microsoft. To view and set the different options required for working with Word, click Options. The Word Options window is displayed. This has multiple sections. Let's take a quick look at each of these sections. The General section is used to specify general settings related to Word. The Display section is used to specify settings for the page and format marks. You can also specify the print settings here. The Proofing section is used to specify settings related to spelling and grammar. The Save section is used to specify settings for saving the document. The Language section is used to specify the editing language and display language. The Ease of Access section is used to specify different settings to make a document accessible for people with different abilities to read and create documents. The Advanced section is used to specify advanced settings for editing and displaying content, layouts, charts, saving and printing a document, and so on. The Customize Ribbon section is used to customize the ribbon and keyboard shortcuts. Use Quick Access Toolbar to add different commands that are regularly used to the toolbar above the ribbon. The Add-ins section is used to view and manage Microsoft add-ins. An add-in is an additional program that adds custom commands or features to an application. The Trust Center section helps you keep your documents safe by securing it. Finally, you can close the document. First, save any new changes and then click Close. This is all about the File tab.